Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you CreditStrong Honest 3. So CreditStrong isn't a place you go to borrow money and spend it. Now that's the biggest misunderstanding people have going on. Now, it's also the root of a lot of negative reviews, and what CreditStrong actually offers are credit builder accounts that are designed purely to help build credit history. Now, when you sign up, you choose a plan, and that plan opens either an installment style account or a secured revolving account on your credit report. Now, the money tied to that account is locked away in a secured savings account, not handed to you, and you then make monthly payments and choose payments or those payments here are reported to Experian, Equifax, and even TransUnion. Now, that reporting is what helps improve payment history, which is the most important factor in credit scoring. Now, looking at Trustpilot reviews, well, experiences are very mixed. Now, some people generally say Credit Strong helped them build or rebuild from very low scores or thin credit files. So those reviews usually come from people who stayed consistent for many months and clearly understood that the value was in the reporting, not the cash. Now, they often mention seeing gradual score improvements and being able to qualify for better credit product afterward. Now, that lines up with how credit builder products are supposed to work. Now, on the flip side, Trustpilot and BBB complaints show a different group of people who felt disappointed or even misled. Now, a very common theme in the negative reviews is cost. Over time, you pay fees and interest, which means the amount you receive at the end is less than what you put in. Now, for people who didn't fully expect that, well, the final payout feels underwhelming. Other complaints about reporting issues, slow responses from support, or confusion when trying to close or modify accounts. Now, these complaints don't mean the system itself is fake or broken, but they do show that Credit Strong requires attention and patience, especially if something goes wrong. Now, another thing people talk about a lot is expectations from results. Now, Credit Strong here doesn't magically boost scores overnight. So, Reddit credit forums often point out that results depend heavily on the rest of your credit profile. Now, if Credit Strong here is your only active account, improvements may be modest. So, if it's combined with other good habits like keeping balances low and never missing payments elsewhere, well, the impact tends to be more noticeable. Some users also mention that small score drops, even when an account closes, which is normal credit behavior but still catches people off guard. So, when you step back here and look at what the feedback, or at all the feedback together, well, the overall picture becomes clear. Well, Credit Strong does what it claims to do on a technical level. It reports real accounts to all three bureaus and help build payment history over time. Now, when opinion split is or where the opinion actually splits is where the cost and long-term commitment feel worth it. Now, people who understood the structure upfront and treated it as a long-term credit investment tend to feel satisfied. Now, people who expect fast results, easy cash, or minimal fees tend to feel frustrated. Now, that's why most neutral financial reviewers and experienced credit builders say Credit Strong isn't good or bad by default. Now, it's a structured tool. Now, for someone rebuilding from limited options, it can help. Now, for someone who already qualifies for cheaper alternatives, well, it may not be the best value here. Now, the difference comes down to expectations, patience, and understanding exactly what you're paying for. And that's about it. So, if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.